Thank you.
Welcome to the store.
Thank you.
Nice to see you, bro.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm happy to see you in another episode of my watch collecting passion. Today we are going to buy the new Apple Watch Series 6. As you know, I'm a big fan of the Apple Watch and usually buy the new model every year. I started with the Series 1 long time ago, and actually the Apple Watch was a big contributor to fuel my passion for watches. The Flagship Apple Store in Dubai Mall is going to open at 11 AM, but I want to be one of the first ones to buy it, so we are leaving early to get a good position in the line. I'm wearing my Casio again, as this watch is super convenient and makes it easy for you to read the time. We are entering the mall now, next to the human waterfalls, and besides store employees, it is really empty at this time in the mall. And here we are at the Apple Store. The store employees are preparing the display right now, and preparations for a long queue are already made. I arrived on the 4th spot for the registration for the first time slot for those people who are allowed to enter the store first. Keeping our social distance in the line. And 3 minutes to go until the registration starts. I already know what to buy, the 44mm black on black rubber with GPS. So this is my usual combination that I'm buying, I don't know, since the last 8 years or whenever they launched the Apple Watch Series 1. And putting the order into the system, actually I'm first to complete everything, as I checked everything in advance and exactly know what I'm going to order. The big line in front of the store is starting to grow now. And 1 more hour to go until I can pick up my new Apple Watch. A quick look at the aquarium. getting a Starbucks coffee. And a quick shot of the Burj Khalifa for you guys. I love the silver shining that reaches so high into the sky. Back at the store, I think we killed enough time and it's only 20 minutes to go now. We are building a new line for the people that registered for the first slot, and actually I am number 1 in that line. So guys, I hope we get a good experience entering as number 1 in the store.
So 1 minute. 3 minutes. Okay. No. Thank you.
Welcome to Apple Store.
Thank you.
Nice to see you, bro. You're doing well.
Wow.
Christopher Wang, right?
Sorry?
Christopher, what is your name?
Nico.
Nico. Okay,
Yes.
nice to see you, Nico.
Thank
My name
you.
is Eugen.
Great.
Welcome to Apple Store, bro.
Yes.
So how did you like the Apple Watch? You got
I
to
love
keep
it.
Apple
I
Watch
have
for
it since the Series 1.
Amazing.
Yes.
That's great.
More people entering the store, and it is super nice to have this calm atmosphere inside the store with not too many people overcrowding it. So well done Apple, great job over here, especially during those critical times right now. Taking some measurements from my wrist for the single loop band.
This is gonna be your watch. And this is the band. Thank you so much, Nico. If you just tell me your
And trying the single loop band for the first time. So size 9 is unfortunately way too big. So we go for size 8, which is also a little bit too big. So I think the single loop band is not made for me. Anyway, as a watch guy, I stick to the classic 2-part straps. I think they are much more convenient to put on your wrist, better for cleaning and better in adjustment, especially if your wrist gets bigger during sports or at hot temperature. My carry-on today, the Gucci wallet, my lovely Casio A158W and the red iPhone. And my new Apple Watch. Before leaving the store, let's have a last look around so you can see all the watches that are in display. leaving the store as a happy new owner of the Apple Watch Series 6 in 44mm with GPS and the sports band. What do you think, guys? Do you like the watch? Are you going to get one? Leave me a comment with your opinion, and if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would be more than happy about that. And of course today I will follow up with the full unboxing and first impressions of the watch for you. So stay healthy everyone, and hopefully see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.